Good morning, students. Welcome you all. Today we are going to do your last practice set 25. This is our last practice set from our portion. We have completed practice set 24 in the last week, in the last video. So students, let's start the practice set 25. Here we have to find out the LCM of the following number. And I have taught you about what LCM. What is the full form of LCM? Lowest or least common multiples. What? Least, or you can say lowest common multiples. And we have done the HCF. How to find out the HCF? HCF is what? Highest common factor. That is factors. And here we have to find out what? Multiples. Multiples means what? In this question, we have to write the table of these numbers. Like first, we have to find the LCM of this number 9 and 15. So, how to write? See here. First, we will write 9 or 15. So, first we will write what? Multiples of 9. Multiples of 9. It means here we have to write the table of 9. Multiples means what? Table. So, write down the multiples of 9. What? 9 ones are 9, then 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, then 63, 72, 81 and 90. Next is what? Multiples of 15. So multiples of 15 is what? 15. 15 ones are 15. 15 twos are 30. 15 threes are 45. 60. 75. 90. 105. 120. 135 and 150. See, here we have written the multiples of both the number. Multiples of 9, 9, 18, 27 means table of 9. And multiples of 15. Whenever you have to find out the LCM, so you have to do this one. Multiples of that number means table of that number. Now, what is LCM of 9 and 15? LCM means lowest or least common multiples. यानी सबसे जो छोटा मल्टीपल होगा, दोनों में जो कॉमन होगा. See here, common. Lowest common multiples. So, which is the lowest common multiple? See, here is what? 9, but 9 is not there. So, first is which number is common here? What? 45. 45 is what? Common, lowest common. Because after 45, there is a 90. But 90 is what? Greater number than 45. And we should write the lowest common multiples. जो सबसे छोटा common आपको सबसे पहला जो मिलेगा, जो दोनों में common हो. So, you have to write that one. So, here LCM of 9 and 15 is what? 45. Is it easy? Yes. Now, second one, 2, 3, 5. Your question is what given? 2, 3, 5. So, first what we will do? Multiples of 2. Means we should write the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 and 20. 2 का टेबल आपको लिखना है. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Next, multiples of 3 means table of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Multiples of 5, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. Understood? Now, LCM of 2, 3, 5 means lowest common multiple of these three numbers. Which is the lowest common multiples? Means तीनों में एक ही नंबर कॉमन होना चाहिए जो कि सबसे छोटा होना चाहिए. यानी जितने भी कॉमन मल्टीपल्स आप निकालोगे इसमें सबसे पहले छोटा नंबर आपको देखना है. सो सी हियर which number is common. So here nothing is common which is in both which is in all these three multiples. कोई भी इसमें कॉमन नहीं निकल रहा जो कि तीनों में कॉमन निकले till here, because if we take 20, so 20 is here but 20 is not there also. So what we will do, we will go ahead. हमको इसके आगे भी लिखना है. 2 का टेबल को आगे भी और लिख दो. 22, 2 11s are 22 like this. Then 24, 26, 28, 30, 32 like this. Okay, so you can increase it. Now which number is common? So you can see 30, 30 and 30. 30 is common in all. 30 जो है वो सब में कॉमन है. सो LCM of 2, 3, 5 is what? 30. Understood? Next, fourth one, you have to do it by yourself. Now I am going to do, third one you have to do it by yourself. Now I am going to do this one, fourth one. इसको भी आपको ऐसे ही करना है. First you have to write multiples of 12, then multiples of 28. Okay, then find the LCM. Now I am going to do this one, 15 and 20. Multiples of, first we will write what? Multiples of 20 means 15 का टेबल लिखो. 15 1s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 15 3s are 45, 15 4s are 60, 15 5s are 75, 15 6s are 90, 15 7s are 105, 15 8s are 120, 15 9s are 135 and 15 10s are 150. Multiples of 20, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, then 140, 160, 180 and 200. Now which is the common multiple? Lowest common multiples. Which is the common multiple? See here, 60 is the lowest common multiple. So here you have to write what? 60. Have you understood? 60 is the lowest common multiple. I hope you all have understood how to find out the LCM of these numbers. Now what problem? Solve the following problems. First one is what? On the playground, if the children are made to stand for drill either 20 to a row or 25 to a row, all rows are complete and no child is left out. What is the lowest possible number of children in that school? यहाँ पे आपको क्या बता रहा है कि प्लेग्राउंड में जो है वो चिल्ड्रन जो है वो एक इसमें खड़े हैं ड्रिल के लिए, और कितने हैं एक रो में? 20 से 25 भी है. 20 टू अ रो और 25 टू अ रो. सो ऑल रोज आर कंप्लीट. ऑल रोज कंप्लीट हो गई है और कोई बच्चा नहीं बचा है. सो व्हाट इज़ द लोवेस्ट पॉसिबल नंबर ऑफ चिल्ड्रन इन दैट स्कूल? सो हियर हाउ टू सॉल्व दिस? सी हियर, first we will write the lowest possible number of children in that school will be LCM of what? 20 and 25. It means we have to find out the LCM of both the numbers. So what? Multiples of 20. First we will write multiples of 20. What is the multiples of 20? We know 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180 and 200. And what is the multiples of 25? 25, 50, 75, 100, 125, 150, 175, 200, 225, 250. Okay. Now see LCM of 20 and 25. Which is the lowest common multiple? When you compare this number, so you will get this number 100. So 100 is the lowest common multiple of 20 and 25. And in that question it is asking what is the lowest possible number of children in that school? And in answer we have to write in word form also. The lowest possible number of children in that school is 100. This is very important in the word problem. whenever you are solving the word problem, at the end you have to write in word also, answer in word also, because it is asking in word what is the lowest possible number of children in that school. Second one, see second one. Veena has some beads. She wants to make necklaces with an equal number beads in each. If she makes necklaces of 16 and 24 or 40 beads, there is no beads left over. What is the least number of beads with her? What is in the question? वीना के पास जो है वो कुछ बीड्स है और वो उस बीड्स से जो है वो नेकलेसेस बनाना चाहती है विथ इक्वल नंबर ऑफ बीड्स इन ईच, हर एक में इक्वल नंबर ऑफ बीड्स डाल के. अगर इफ़ शी मेक्स नेकलेस ऑफ, अगर वो 16, 24 और 40 बीड्स का नेकलेस बनाती है, सो उसके पास कोई बीड्स नहीं बचता है. सो व्हाट इज़ द लीस्ट नंबर ऑफ बीड्स विद हर? वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट उसके पास कम से कम कितने बीड्स बचे हैं. सो उसके पास कितने कम से कम बीड्स है. सो हियर व्हाट वी विल डू, फर्स्ट वी विल राइट द क्वेश्चन इन दिस फॉर्म. द लीस्ट नंबर ऑफ बीड्स Veena will be the LCM of 16, 24 and 40. It means we have to find out the LCM of 16, 24 and 40. So write down multiples of, first we will find out what multiples of 16, then multiples of 24, then multiples of 40. Now write down the multiples of 16. 16 ones are 16, 16 twos are 32, 16 threes are 48, 16 fours are, like this form you have to write. So I have written here multiples of 16 and multiples of 24 and multiples of 40. Now what we will do, LCM of these numbers 16, 24 and 40. See which is the lowest common multiples. So here 48 is there, 48 is there, but 48 is not there. So what we will take, we will see which is the common multiples. So till that there is nothing is common in these multiples of these numbers. So what we will do, we will raise this, we will, हमको क्या करना है यहाँ पर आगे बढ़ा देना है 16 के टेबल को, बिकॉज 240 इज़ ईयर, 240 इज़ ईयर, बट यहाँ पर जो है 160 तक है. तो आपको क्या करना है 16 और इसमें ऐड करते करते आपको लेकर आना है, देन यू विल गेट 240. सो 240 इज़ द कॉमन मल्टीपल्स ऑफ दीज थ्री नंबर्स. सो हियर राइट डाउन 240 एंड इन वर्ड हाउ टू राइट दिस आंसर. I told you once again, I told you that what, whenever you are writing whenever you are solving the word problem, at the end you have to write the answer in word form. So what we will write, the least number of beads with her, the least number of beads with her is 240. Have you understood how to solve? Write it in your notebook and complete it. I hope you all have understood. So rest of the questions is your homework. This one, question number 3, same thing you have to do what I have done. Question number 3, 4. Okay. So complete it in your notebook. Thank you so much, students.